Let's explore the WC command, a powerful utility in Linux for counting words, lines, and characters in text files. It is a fundamental tool for text processing and analysis within Linux systems. The WC command by default displays the number of lines, words, and bytes in a specified file. The default output format shows the lines, words, bytes, and then the file name. For example, if you run wcsample.txt, the output might look like this: 52098 sample.txt. This indicates 5 lines, 20 words, and 98 bytes in the file. You can also pipe the output of another command to WC. For instance, catsample.txt pipe to WC, which would give the same output but without the file name. The WC command comes with several options to tailor the output. The L option counts only the number of lines. For example, wclsample.txt would output only the number of lines. The W option counts only the number of words. So, wcwsample.txt displays the word count. The C option counts the number of bytes. Running wccsample.txt shows the byte count. Lastly, them option counts the number of characters. Thus, wcmsample.txt will give the character count of the file. You can combine multiple options with the WC command to get specific counts in one go. For example, wclwsample.txt will output the line and word counts. The order of options doesn't matter, so LW is the same as WL. The WC command can also be used with multiple files at once. For instance, WC file 1.txt file 2.txt will show the counts for each file individually, followed by a total count for all files combined. The last line of the output will display the combined totals for lines, words, and bytes across all the specified files, labeled as total. Let's explore some practical examples using the WC command. To count the number of error messages in a log file, you can use grep errorserver.log, pipe to WCL. This will give you the number of lines containing the word error. To count the number of files in a directory, use ls-1 pipe to WCL. This lists each file on a new line and then counts those lines. To count occurrences of a specific word in a file, try grep o linux document txt to pipe to WCL. The O option ensures each occurrence is on a new line. Finally, to count unique logged-in users, use the who command pipe to WCL. Here are some best practices and advanced tips for using the WC command. Use L for quick line counts in scripts. Combine WC with grep for targeted counting of specific patterns or content. Utilize the Files 0 from option for processing lists of files, especially when dealing with a large number of files. Remember that W counts new lines, not necessarily lines in a human-readable sense. For very large files, prefer using WC instead of loading the entire file into memory for processing. An example of advanced usage is counting Python files in a directory using find name star.py.wal. To find the length of the longest line in a file, use wclfile.txt. To count bytes without including the file name in the output, redirect input like this: wccfile.txt. The WC command is frequently used in shell scripts to implement conditional logic based on the counts it provides, enabling dynamic behavior in your scripts. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.